Hi guys, we received this ceiling fan with lights for reviewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box. I think it's gonna be nice because it's just a main unit, which I think it's great. So that way you just have to install the base plate. This is the instruction manual. Okay. We get all the screws, nuts, bolts that we need to install that, which I think it's nice. We have the ceiling fan operation instructions. And for the application, which is nice, you can control this ceiling fan with a application, okay, which I think is great. Let's take this piece off. And as you can see, it's really well protected with foam, which is great. And this is the proper main unit, okay. As you can see, it has this crystal-like design with the metal finish and the blades, okay, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it's really nice because it has many different functions that are great. First of all, you can turn it on and off with the controller, set up the light, how bright you want it. You want a different shade, or if you want to change the temperature, get it colder or warmer, you can adjust it. And you have 6 different speed of the fan blades, which I think it's great, okay. And you can even change to it being reversed, so you can use it on winter and on summer, which I think it's great. And also you can program it for up to 2 hours with the remote controller, which I think it's a great function. And as I've said, you can control it also with an application. As you've seen, I have already connected it. I can set it up. I'm going to change the speed, lower it down, change the brightness, change to a cold white, warm white, or neutral white, okay? You can even set it to a night mode, set it to change the, as I've said, being forward or reverse the motor, the application. And you have 2 special modes. One is like a natural wind or like a night wind, which I think it's really nice. Obviously also with the application you can change the light or the fan independently and set it up this time up to 8 hours, which I think it's great. And overall I like it a lot. It's really easy to install, it looks great, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.